Baddha Konasana. Saying hello to the lower back. This pose, even though it's a restorative, then we use it as a resting pose, this is a little bit of a back bend. And so just enjoy that little kind of small little passive back bend. We get to let our lumbar spine come off the floor here. And then we'll bring the legs up and we'll prepare for our core abdominal work. So we'll take that lower back to the floor, we'll press the navel down to the spine, and just as we did last night, we'll take our small little touches. And remembering that if you want to make this more challenging, just reach your toe farther away from your pelvis. Holding on, pressing that lower back down. We'll go to scissor with no coffee break, right into scissor. You can actually flex your feet here or point, whichever you feel drawn to work. But I keep noticing my shoulders have a tendency, they want to curl and tighten. If you have that too, see if you can just keep that soft and open in the upper body. That lower foot only goes down so far as you can keep the back down. Last one, holy guacamole. And we'll come to Supta Baddha Konasana, reclining butterfly. As a little variation that we can do tonight, let's reach underneath and grab our ankles from the front. See how I've done that? I've reached underneath, I'm grabbing my ankles from the front. It kind of ties it off in a really nice way. Great, coming to standing, reverse bicycle. Same thing, navel down, lower back down. We practice until we get absolutely expert at this. How we doing? Anyone feeling it?
Yeah.
All right, we're almost done. And then we're going to go to the seahorse. Woo! Yowzers. Okay, let's grab our brick, placing it underneath the sacrum. It's just that flat bone that's just the perfect place to put a brick. Soles the feet together. Opening the belly. I'm really liking this, grabbing the front of my ankles here. Feels really good. Because see, in these yoga asanas, the whole idea of a bound pose, like this is a bound pose. It's that you're creating a closed circuit for the energy. That's exactly what we're doing with the Jiva Bandha. We're closing the circuit so there's no energy leak. It's all contained and you're circulating your own prana. So see how these soles of the 2 feet are together? This is a circuit. We're close the circuit. Okay, here we go. So we'll bring our legs up. We're still in the brick. I'm going to take my outside foot, place it right on my shin of my inside leg, and then I'm going to touch the heel of that inside leg, rock it up and down. I just felt like I needed to move my brick a little bit higher. So just go at your own pace. Woo! Should definitely be feeling this in those low abs on the straight leg side. We got 2 more. Yikes. And let's go ahead and switch. So just bend now the inside leg, foot goes right on the shin, and then rock it up and down. So that extended leg should be absolutely straight. And just tapping the heel, keep the low back integrated. Navel integrated. Two more. Last one. Amazing. Woo! Baddha Konasana, soles of the feet together. Grabbing the front of the ankles if you like to bind it. Just allowing your yoga practice to be your special time to feel the movement of your own chi, of your own energy. Okay, we're going to do that really nice rotation move that we did last night because it felt so good. So come down flat. This is our last abdominal exercise. The other leg, the outside leg is straight. And we're going to make a big circle. So everything's straight here. Down leg is straight, the arms are straight, spine is straight, and the circling leg is straight. And cross it over the body so it's kind of like a little twist. Last one. And we have to go the other way. Woo! So if your knee has to bend a little bit, it's okay, but just keep in mind that ultimately this is a straight-legged pose. Yowza, 2 more. Last one. Ho. And we'll switch. Outside leg, make some big circles. and changing direction. This is a full lower torso exercise. It's the back, the entire abdominal wall. Woo! 2 more. Last one. Oh. Yikes. Let's come back up on our brick. Low setting. Great, and feet come to standing. Let's lift off for our bridge. Removing the brick, grabbing the heels if you like, walking your shoulders underneath you. Lift your sternum bone up by your chin. Try to suck in the vertebrae that are behind the heart. Suck those in. Try to avoid letting your knees splay out too much. Heels press into the floor, back of the neck lengthens, and breathing. Keep experimenting to find your beautiful bridge. Yikes. And roll down. Heels pull into the bum. Dropping both knees away from the device, and inside hand presses toward the device. And then rolling back to the back, and other side. Great. Back to the back. Gentle hug of the knees, and here we go with our wonderful transition that we're all getting so good at. Grabbing under the knees, rock it up, scooting back, pull the heels in as close as possible to the bum. This is the secret. You got to start with the heels really close, and then you just hook. Take a heave, ho. That's it. All right, move to bye. Thai Deva, lifting the heart, relaxing the shoulders, tongue to palate. Toe balance, little toe squat, steady spot to gaze, and we're going to press up. Ooh.